Today we'll talk about how can you link with your phone number on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here, and just click here on menu. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on settings, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account and security. Here you just click on it, then you come to next step. Here it's going to show for you like this. Click here on mobile number. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Add your password and you click here on next. Then automatically it's going to take you to link with your phone number on your Webull app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking